Welcome to Air Wright's Garage, New Haven, Connecticut. I found it. Parking garage. It's crazy. They have a big gates right here.
Yeah. Which side's metal gates?
Just don't hit a concrete wall.
I didn't even hear those gates. You'd be
Up
hitting
here,
like
take a
concrete
ticket.
wall.
So I gotta go to the right.
Yep.
Get a ticket, go up to the 4th level.
Yes.
Level.
Air Wright Garage. Yale New Haven Hospital patients and visitors, please proceed to levels 4, 6, or 8 for short-term parking.
There's a human walking. Damn, this place is crazy. It's crazy around here.
It is. How the hell they
Level 3, it says 6 spaces available.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm going up to level 4.
4.
And I gotta put my ticket in. Level 4, full.
Oh, that's nice.
That's not good.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, but I see a spot right over there. Which way do we put the ticket in? That way? We'll find a spot. Always do.
Yeah.
Please wait.
Please wait. Take the ticket.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Oh,
Welcome to no parking. Oh, I see a car leaving over there.
If the other one doesn't beat it to us.
Yep. Maybe not. Maybe not. We'll find a way. Here we go. This is the way we want to go in. Go down here. Oh, that car's going down there too. Handicap. Oh, handicap. Well, they got a spot. What about here? Ooh, there's one.
Right here.
Too tight.
Yeah, little.
Here's one.